Welcome to Narita-san Shinsoji Temple, a 1090 years old temple. This location is located at Chiba Prefecture, and this is 20 to 25 minutes away from the airport by car. This is where you can see the 1000 years ago the design and the architectural structure of Japanese. Washing hands purification called Temizu. Okay, let's go up and enter the temple. This temple was built in early 1090 years ago. If you see this big pearl, they call it the Thunder Gate, the entrance of the temple. Ang bango ng amoy ng kahoy. Kahit luma. Narita-san Temple. Grabe, ganda dito. Turtle shape.